Okay, here we are again, Silent Hyperdrive family, with another episode. This time we're going to do a part two of the 20-second hover drill. First time, I didn't like it, wasn't good, wasn't a good representation of what I'm trying to accomplish. So this time we're going to do simple drill, 20-second hover. This is my channel. This is what I do. I journal my progression to getting better with flying drones. Come join me. Let me set up and we'll get right into this. Okay, we're back, we're set up. Smooth takeoff, 20-second hover. I'll put the wind conditions up as well as, let's put a little timer up just so we can make sure we're keeping this honest. All right, here we go, 20 seconds. Position over here. 20-second minimal hover. Okay, solid, solid, solid. Let's say we accomplished that one. Let's bring it down. We'll do one more. Let's see if we can get a nice, simple landing. That has been my biggest problem. Almost. Okay. All right, so that was not bad. That was flight test number one, 20-second hover drill. I think we accomplished it. Let's do one more just to make sure we feel good about that. And then we can say that that is accomplishment. So, all right, let's set up and we'll do flight test number two ski, like we like to say ski. And all right, well, let's do it. Let's do it. Flight test number two. Flight test number two. Here we go. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Nice. 20 seconds. See, again, the point of the drills. Improvement, better, smoother flights. That's what I want. I don't want it just to be a fail reel. Let's try to get this landing down. All right, look at that. That was a nice landing. I would say that was a successful drill. The hover movement is becoming a lot smoother, even with the cheaper drone. This is improving my skills just immensely. So this again is my channel. This is my journey. I journal my progression through the fails, through the accomplishments, good or bad. So this is something you're interested in, please follow along. It's going to be fun. Until next time, keep flying.